Red door shining, brick home smiling in the Georgia sun. Green lawn rolling, long drive saying welcome everyone. Nearly 2 private acres, trees standing peaceful and tall. A John Wieland classic with a room together all. Hardwood in a foyer, staircase turning with grace. Formal dining ready for a candlelit place. Darnell Bender says, come feel the space today. Berkshire Hathaway, home services, Georgia properties, lights the way. Come on home to Hampton, where the quiet feels right. 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a powder room right. Over 4,500 square feet to roam. Privacy, flexibility, a true estate home. Deck out back, a true retreat, sunset in view. This is the kind of space that opens up for you. Darnell Bender can help you make your move. Berkshire Hathaway, home service, Georgia properties, brings the groove. Updated kitchen, shining with stainless steel glow. Solid surface counters where good memories grow. Pantry stocked easy out and ready to serve. Breakfast nook smiling with a soft morning curve. Garden window looking to the backyard green. Built-in storage keeps the busy days clean. Wood panel family room, bookcases by the flame. French doors to the sunroom, every season calls your name. Hey! Come on home to Hampton, where the quiet feels right. 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a powder room bright. Over 4,500 square feet to roam. Privacy, flexibility, a true estate home. Deck out back, mature trees, the stars set in view. This is the kind of space that opens up for you. Oh, Darnell Bender can help you make your move. Berkshire Hathaway, home service, Georgia properties, brings the groove. Primary suite, sorted with tray ceilings high. Hardwood floor, corner up, glass full sky. Coffered tub waiting, glass shower sleek and clean. Blue vanity glowing like a spa daydream. Walk-in closets ready, double pane window shine. Zone comfort keeps every corner feeling fine. Love joy high, anyway. River's edge nearby. Hampton convenience with room to breathe and fly. Large bedrooms upstairs, the ceiling fans turning slow. Laundry close by, where the daily rhythms flow. Finished terrace level with the bedroom tucked away. Full bath, rec room, rec bar for guests who stay. Private living space for work, hobbies or play. Both door access, mixed storage, easy every day. Side entry garage, off-street parking wide. Home for the tools, the toys and the ride. Back deck looking over peaceful wooded scene. Level space and slope land, open common green. Built in 1989 with tradition pie. Brick on 3 sides and a warm heart inside.